Noon to 8, the time of the strong winds today. There will be kind of a ramping up through the afternoon and a peak right around dinner time, but max wind gust to 55, more of the blowing dust, the poor air quality, and the difficult travel conditions, especially on the north-south oriented roadways. The wind advisories and the high wind warnings are actually more widespread today than yesterday. They include portions of northwest New Mexico, along with the central, the east, and all of southern New Mexico. Albuquerque wind advisory, high wind warnings for that central mountain chain and that west central high terrain. We are at 34. The wind right now 5 out of the southeast. We'll take that. As you look around western and northern New Mexico, there's a few more 20s on the map. There's a couple of snow flurries up around Taos and for the mountains of southern Colorado, but it's kind of a lonely action right now compared to yesterday morning. At this time, we are like 15 to 20 degrees colder. Remember, yesterday morning we were on the plus side of 50 degrees. It was unusually warm. Here's our statewide planner. Again, the morning hours quiet, save for a few snow showers up into the San Juans. We do jump into the 40s and 50s at lunchtime, and that's when the strong winds start to hit. As a cold front presses into northwest New Mexico later this afternoon and starts to swing through Albuquerque and Santa Fe this evening, that will provide the focus for some very strong wind gusts that could be enhanced by a little precipitation that could be evaporating into the leading edge of that front. The best chance at any winter mix and snow showers will stay north and west of Albuquerque later on today. Afternoon wind gusts 40s and 50s statewide. We're all going to get wind blasted. Here's where we've got the red flag warnings for the big fire danger. Eastern and southern New Mexico. They do not include Albuquerque at this time, but right at noon we go into weather impact mode, and we're talking about sustained winds up around 30 for a long period of time with the peak wind gusts 50 to 55. And on top of all that, late in the day we'll be watching for a slight chance at some rain and some wintry mixed showers.